What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you have lowering springs installed on your ride, or you're contemplating getting lowering springs, or if you're having lowering springs issues, you might want to stick around for this video. Let's get right into it. So I've had the Eibach Pro Kit installed on my vehicle for over a year now, and I've had no issues. And I was thinking about getting airbags put on it, but after doing extensive research, all the maintenance involved in order to maintain it, draining the air tanks, having to worry about coming outside and one of your wheels are just on the ground sagging, I didn't have to worry about all that. I wanted something where it's maintenance free. I can come out, I don't have to worry about one of the bags being blown or anything like that. So I went with the Eibach Pro Kit. Now I have a few videos on the Eibach Pro Kit that I've installed. Go check that out. It explains all the parts needed for a Durango and the process you need to go through. But it's a very similar process if you have another vehicle. So go check that out. It may be very helpful. So I got the Eibach Pro Kit installed. I took it to a shop, a reputable shop. They installed it for me. And right afterwards, they drove it around for about 20 miles and did a front wheel alignment. And that was key as far as proper wear of the tires. And you want to get a wheel alignment after the springs are installed. Now, once they install the springs, you may go out and look at the vehicle and expect it to be dropped dramatically, but that's not going to be the case. It takes weeks for it to settle down and drop to the proper specs. So you have to drive around normally, you have to do braking, stop and go, and that's what allows the springs to settle and get broken in. And so during that time period, you may hear all kind of sounds coming from the springs. You may hear squeaks, all kind of like thumping, cracking, and that's normal. That's the springs breaking in. And so, that's something to expect. So after they install the springs, you may only notice a very minor difference in the drop because it takes weeks for it to fully settle down and lower itself once the springs are installed. When you install the springs, it's normal to hear sounds. It's normal to have bottoming out. If you hit, if you're going over a bumpy terrain or some kind of an uneven terrain, your front end or your back end may bottom out. That's normal. That's completely normal. People get freaked out when they hear sounds coming from their springs and they think that it was installed incorrectly or the springs are failing or whatever. Remember that, these are aftermarket springs, so they're not the OEM fitment. These springs are shorter, they're thicker, so, you're going to get movement in those springs. Maybe on stop and go, when you go over different terrains, you're going to get movement in the springs. Sometimes minor movement, sometimes movement where you think that something's wrong with your vehicle, but it's completely normal. Those are some things to expect after your lowering springs are installed. Now, the drop for the Eibach Pro Kit is it's a pretty nice drop. When you install it, the good thing about the Eibach Pro Kit is you don't have to put any camber kits or anything like that. You don't have to put anything extra on it in order for your tires to wear evenly. Only thing you have to do is get a front wheel alignment after your springs are installed. And that's the beauty of it because, with the airbags, there's a lot of maintenance involved. You have to maintain them, drain the air tank, and hopefully when you go outside, all your airbags will be filled to the proper capacity. So that's just a bit much for me. The look, you can't beat the look of the airbags. By far, it looks the best as far as, the customability, being able to adjust them, lower and raise it up. But, you got to expect the maintenance. You got to put the work in to maintain it in order for them to work properly. And I didn't want to have to go through all that, so I just got the Pro Kit installed, and I like it. Again, it's a pretty good drop, but you don't have to add on all the extra stuff, the camber kits and all of that. So now, after after a year of having them installed, I have had zero issues with these springs, and I love them. And the Eibach Pro Kit, they guarantee them for the life of the vehicle. So that's another benefit of the Eibach Pro Kit, which I like. Again, I've had no issues. I will bottom out from time to time. You know, if I go over, you know, like a bump or something, or uneven terrain, I may hear it bottom out a little bit. Now in the front, I get more bottoming out more so than the rear, because I installed the Eibach Pro Kit bump stop, which is a softer bump stop and it's a smaller bump stop. So that translates to a lower front end. So, and I did keep my OEM bump stop if I ever want to just, you know, pop the OEM back in there. I have that still. So, but I mean, those are some things to expect when you lower your ride. And a lot of people, when they're hearing sounds, they're bottoming out, they get worried and they think, you know, they're having issues with their suspension or they were installed incorrectly, but that's not the case. Once you become familiar with the operation of them, you're just fine. You don't need to panic, you're just fine. So now, would I recommend the Eibach Pro Kit? Absolutely. And there is a number of different types of springs you can have installed. I went with the Eibach Pro Kit because that's just the one that just seems more beneficial for me in my case. And again, I recommend getting the lowering springs over the airbag because of all the maintenance that's involved over the duration of the airbags. I just recommend just throwing some springs on there and you don't have to worry about any of that maintenance or anything. So I hope this video helped for any of you that may be having issues with your springs, or if you're contemplating getting springs, these are some things to expect. You don't have to panic if you're hearing sounds, if you're bottoming out. Check out my other lowering springs videos and give them a thumbs up as well. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Check out my other playlists and videos. In the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. Alex RT Life signing off.